Hi everyone, welcome to English 108 online. Since this is the first week, I kind of want to walk you through what we're doing, and I'll try to make at least one video walking you through the courses each week. So if you go to Canvas and you go to courses, start in English 108, you'll see that we're picking up past spring break, week 1 online, March 30 through April 5. The readings are right here. Parable of the Sower, chapter 15 through 17. And then what video games can teach us about students by James Paul G. Once you're done reading those, there's 2 assignments this week. There's a quiz that covers both readings. The quizzes are no longer timed. They're still open book, open notes, whatever. Just make sure that you answer based on your own ideas. You can only take the quiz once, and it's due by Friday. So you need to take the quiz anytime by Friday. And then the reading application will no longer be group projects. So what I did for the reading application is took a quote from James Paul G, the second reading, and then I'm going to have you guys apply it to Parable of the Sower. And you can do that either as a paragraph or as a slideshow with quotes. So the reading application is right here. Here's the quote. Students need to be able to learn in deep ways, etc., to improvise, innovate, and challenge themselves. Since Lauren and her friends are students, in a way, like in the New World, I ask you in this reading application to apply that quote by James Paul G to something that happens in chapters 15 through 17 of Parable of the Sower. If you have any questions, please go ahead and send me a message through Canvas inbox. I check that frequently. So that's a good way of contacting me. And then I will have office hours tomorrow in Zoom on Tuesday. And I'll have them on Wednesday and Thursday as well from 4 to 6, the usual time. And I'll send you all a invitation to that Zoom. It's called a meeting, but you just join the meeting and it would be office hours. I look forward to working with you all and sending more video and reading what you write. And I will be in touch soon. I hope you're all well.